The modern world had not really witnessed a true global health crisis until the novel coronavirus began affecting us in the year 2019. Since the beginning of this pandemic, we have been advised protection, to wear masks, wash our hands repeatedly, and stay indoors. This strain of the virus, called COVID-19, has a mortality rate of about 3.4%, which means it kills 3.4 out of every 100 people it infects. But before this, there have been many deadlier diseases, like smallpox that killed almost 1/3 of the people it affected, or the bubonic plague that killed about 30 to 60% of the infected. But the fear of these diseases has waned over a period. Do you know why? It's because of vaccination, a process that creates immunity in humans to prevent the disease and eventually even eradicates the disease altogether. आप सबने सुना होगा कि prevention is better than cure. But for thousands of years, human beings were not equipped to prevent most dangerous diseases, only try to cure ailments once they took hold of people. Diseases like pneumonia, malaria, tuberculosis, and cholera, which are easily treatable today, were once considered deadly. You may have heard your grandparents speak of losses in the family through some of these, but now these do not appear to be a major threat anymore. How come? All thanks to vaccination. Vaccination की शुरुआत हुई smallpox से, an infectious disease that is so old that its evidence can be found on 3,000-year-old Egyptian mummies. Just like COVID-19, it was caused by a virus, one that killed almost 1/3 of the people it affected. And for the longest time, human beings had no protection against it. The first documented protection against smallpox was found in China. By the 15th century, the Chinese had perfected a method to prevent smallpox, where a scab from a smallpox patient was taken, dried, and then burnt. This was then introduced into a person's body through the nose with the help of a long pipe. What was fascinating was that the exposure to a milder form of the virus did cause illness, but it wasn't very harmful. In fact, it was mild and extremely short-lived. And after recovery, these patients were found to be immune to the smallpox virus. Similar methods were also practiced in India and some parts of Sudan. Soon enough, these methods spread all over Asia and Africa. But the West was still grappling with the virus and had no hope in sight. By the end of the 18th century, यूरोप में हर साल करीब 4 लाख लोग स्मॉलपॉक्स से मर रहे थे। यहाँ तक कि 5 राजा भी इस बीमारी का शिकार हो चुके थे। मगर एक बहुत अजीब बात हो रही थी। कुछ लोग ऐसे भी थे जिन्हें ये बीमारी छू नहीं पाई थी। ये लोग थे लोकल मिल्कमेड्स। तभी एक रूरल डॉक्टर एडवर्ड जेनर ने इस बात पर थोड़ी रिसर्च की और उन्हें पता चला कि एक दूसरी बीमारी है जो लगभग हर मिल्कमेड को होती है, और वो है काउपॉक्स. Cowpox was a disease that affected cows and it was never considered fatal. But the milkmaids who came in contact with these cows would often get some blisters on their hands. Jenner thought that there might be a connection between cowpox and smallpox, and so he decided to conduct a human trial. उन्होंने अपने माली के 8 साल के बेटे को काउपॉक्स वायरस से इंजेक्ट किया और कुछ महीनों बाद उसे स्मॉलपॉक्स वायरस का इंजेक्शन दिया. ऐसा करना बहुत ही रिस्की था, मगर जेनर का शक सही निकला और उस बच्चे को स्मॉलपॉक्स नहीं हुआ. Edward Jenner performed more trials over the next few months and concluded that the milder virus helped create immunity towards the stronger virus, and thus he found a way to protect people against the smallpox virus. For his contribution and for saving the world, Edward Jenner was named the father of immunology. And eventually in 1798, the first smallpox vaccine was developed, and slowly the world began the war against this deadly disease. Before the smallpox vaccine saved millions of lives, this disease affected some famous people too, like US Presidents George Washington and Abraham Lincoln, classical composers Mozart and Beethoven, and even Frankenstein author Mary Shelley. एडवर्ड जेनर की रिसर्च के आधार पर साइंटिस्ट ने लेबोरेटरीज में वैक्सीन्स पर काम शुरू किया और अलग अलग बीमारियों से लड़ने लगे, और इसमें सबसे बड़ा हाथ था फ्रेंच माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट लुई पास्चर का. जिन्होंने 19th सेंचुरी में दुनिया को वैक्सीनेशन के प्रिंसिपल्स दिए और चिकन, कॉलेरा, एंथ्रैक्स और रेबीज जैसी खतरनाक बीमारियों की वैक्सीन्स डेवलप किए। अगर कभी खेलते खेलते आपको चोट लग जाए और किसी मेटालिक ऑब्जेक्ट की वजह से आपको कट या स्क्रैच हो जाए, तो डॉक्टर ये जरूर कहेंगे कि टेटनस का शॉट लेना सेफ होगा। Tetanus is an infection that can attack your nervous system and can even prove to be fatal. But thankfully, in 1923, Alexander Glennie perfected a technique that helped develop a vaccine for tetanus. In the 20th century, a disease named polio had taken hold of the world and was crippling and killing children by thousands. But thankfully, March 26, 1953 को जॉनस सैल्क नाम के एक डॉक्टर ने पब्लिक रेडियो पर अनाउंस किया कि उन्होंने सक्सेसफुली पोलियो के लिए एक वैक्सीन बना लिया है। वहां से पोलियो के खिलाफ एक जंग शुरू हुई और आज पोलियो दुनिया से लगभग खत्म हो चुका है। Now these are names of people that you might have heard of, but there is one person who is considered the unsung hero of vaccines, and that is Maurice Hilleman. Hilleman was a microbiologist who specialized in vaccinology and developed more than 40 vaccines, which is a record that stands even today. Some of the vaccines he created were for diseases like measles, mumps, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and chickenpox. The American vaccine schedule has a list of 14 vaccines that are required for every person, and out of those, 8 were developed by Hilleman and his team. In India, every child follows this immunization chart. Right at birth or as soon as possible, tuberculosis, hepatitis B, polio vaccines. At 6 weeks, diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis, or DTP and influenza vaccine. At 9 months, measles, mumps and rubella, or the MMR vaccine. During the 16 to 24 months period, Japanese encephalitis vaccine. किसी भी पैंडेमिक में time is of the essence. The faster we act, the more lives we can save. Last year, as the world was coming to terms with the disastrous impact of COVID-19, scientists all over the world were working day and night to create the fastest vaccine ever created for any disease. And they did it in less than 12 months. Before this, the fastest vaccine produced was for mumps in 1960, and that took 4 years to develop. Isn't that amazing? Vaccination is the best protection against any disease, including COVID-19. और दुनिया भर में ये देखा जा रहा है, जहाँ ज्यादा वैक्सीनेशन हो रही है, वहाँ COVID-19 के केसेस तो कम हैं ही, और साथ में the mortality rates have also reduced. As long as we have science and technology on our side, along with swift action, we can deal with almost any disease. And we are sure soon the world will also be fully protected from COVID-19. And if you are fully prepared to test your knowledge, come to z5.com and challenge yourself with Mind Wars.